How to get a mock look to Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a mock look to Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure you have installed PowerToys on your PC. For that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store, go to the top bar and search for PowerToys. If you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. So click on that and then you'll be able to see open. So once you click on open, you'll be redirected to the PowerToys settings. So at the top bar, you gotta search for color picker. So you'll be able to see a toggle button right next to enable color picker. So make sure that you have toggled it on and just see what your shortcut is, like Windows plus Shift plus C. So you can simply hover over colors anywhere on the screen and copy the hex code, and it helps maintain visual consistency in documents, presentations, or apps. You can next head over to any app such as Canva and just paste that color anywhere you want. For a modern overlay, you can use Shortcut Guide. You can go to the search bar, type in Shortcut Guide, and you're going to make sure that you have toggled it on. And then the activation shortcut is Windows key plus Shift and the backward slash. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see all Windows shortcuts in a clean overlay. It will make your workflow look polished and professional. Another feature is FancyZones. You can go to the search bar, type in FancyZones, make sure that you have enabled it, and then you're going to launch the layout editor. You can choose layout, columns, rows, grid, and also custom in order to draw your own zones. Once you have selected the layout, you're going to create that, and then you can long press Shift and drag and drop all the windows that you want over here. By doing this, your workspace looks professional and mocked up for tutorials or work. So PowerToys can give your Windows 11 desktop a modern, clean, and organized mock look using FancyZones, color picker, shortcut guide. And with that, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.